That's further than I was the first time. I ought to make it pull me up to where I was. No, just kidding. I didn't get there. Where's Anna? Crawling up there?
I think.
Yeah, Anna's already up there.
Okay, thank you. That is so crazy. See you hiding over there, Rose. There's Anna. There's the green monkey.
I'm coming back up.
You're going to be on my video. I don't know what to call you, but the green monkey.
Call me T-Rex.
T-Rex? Okay.
Yeah,
Can you write T-Rex down for me, Rosie? That's the green monkey. And I'm going to try to get back up here.
I want to make something. They're so dopey. Who you testing? Alright, guys, we're done. I'm gonna go make something. There's no more building.
Somebody's phone's getting burned up, Rosie.
Yeah, that's her. No more.
Oh my God, they've got it really high now.
Mama, come on.
I'm coming.
No.
Boys, I'm climbing it tiny. You should do it with me, bro.
What?
Do it with me.
Whoa!
What is this?
The steps are falling. Oh no.
Don't get the way.
There's no more building. Oh.
Am I in the way?
There's no more building. There's no
Ah!
more building.
No, you're not in the way. Hola. Just
Okay.
said no, you're not in the way, Mom. You're never in the way.
Boys,
Oh my gosh, look how far they got it. Well, thank you.
I'm climbing. What up, bro? You should do it with me, bro. Do it with me. No, heck no. You're gonna take forever.
Dang, they got that up there so far.
I know, I can't wait to get up there.
Do it yourself. Are you scared
Yeah,
down there?
we're gonna I'm gonna build it even more. Always said he was gonna build it.
Well, I'm going to climb till I can't climb no more.
Oh, bitch.
Holy moly.
Yeah, I'm just telling I'm tiny,
Oh,
bro.
I don't care. I do not care. If you know what I'm saying. Dang, I can't build on it.
Yeah, full control.
Nobody can.
Yeah.
Get
Where's on at, Rosie? She up top.
She's up top with them.
Okay. Your voice sounds like a grouchy old man.
Shut the fuck up, little bitch.
Ooh, I almost fell down.
You are one. Well, I don't know how old he is, bro.
Pink.
It's a she.
8 years old.
It's a she, honey, and that's my 44-year-old daughter.
11.
No, I'm talking to you.
Oh, I'm 64, and I'm a girl. I'm a woman.
Yo, I wanna.
You're never away, by the way.
Okay, thank you.
Aww.
Rose, you're really echoing bad into the headset. Look at how far they've gotten this. Wow. I'm coming up on another monkey statue.
Bro, I still see so much left to go.
You're 9?
How much do I have left? Actually, yeah, it's like. Oh, I almost fell.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
This was the step challenge.
I'm here, basically. I basically made it already. But what are you doing? I had to put over.
Oh. Where's Mama?
I'm up here with the next statue. I'm making it up there.
What a boy, what?
I'm helping you guys get.
There.
Watch me fall off. Amigo.
Hi, Thunder.
Mama,
Yes.
I gotta go.
You do? Oh, okay. Can I give you a hug? Thank you. Can you friend me, sweetheart? You're such a sweetheart.
Just walk
Thank
down.
you for welcoming us to the room.
Nobody's gonna kill me.
What I'm doing. Keep this room family friendly. Bye, Hunter.
Okay. Hunter.
What is this?
We played with Hunter before.
Oh, puto.
What is this?
Oh,
I made it to the very top.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for more steps.
You couldn't make it because you're too fat.
Where am I there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
there.
that's what you get for calling me that.
Oh, more steps.
You're gonna make it?
Thank you.
You're gonna do it? What? Bye. Bye-bye.
Empújame. Can you pick this up?
I'm coming up, Anna.
What are
You
trying
know
to
the
pick up,
Spanish
honey?
kid?
Yes. I don't see anything there.
Oh.
There's something there, but it's just. Mama, where the fuck is she? Mama!
Yeah, I got stuck on one step, but I'm coming.
What is this? Now time to. Mama!
Yes.
Where are you?
I'm coming up. There's Anna.
Owen wants to know if she can join us.
Honey, what did you say?
Are you? Mama.
Yes.
Owen wants to know if she can join us.
Why can't she? That was a private conversation.
What?
Yes. I gotta concentrate, honey.
Can she?
I don't want to fall now.
Can she?
Yes, I'm enjoying his
Can she?
wonderful steps.
I see you, but you just started. I'm gonna give her.
I don't know. I'm just following the steps up. And I look up and there's a lot more.
Steps up and you will eventually get up there.
I will get up there. I promise you this. I will get up there. You put all this work into it. I'm going to get up there.
Where are you? I can't build on this because it's someone's else.
Trust me.
Yeah, we built it until over a year.
Isn't this cool?
It's amazing.
I'm trying to go slow. I don't want to miss a step when I got this far.
We can get on this. Mama.
Yes?
Mama.
Yes.
Once you get to the top, we might have to join a different group because there's 10 people.
Okay, can you not get your cattail in my way? I don't want to miss a step, honey. Anna's kitty tail keeps getting in the way.
Don't go this way. Don't go this way.
Go that way? Okay. Thank you.
Go that way.
Oh, I don't want to try to jump that one.
Oh, kind of. You still have a lot more to go, though. I'll just hit my face.
Are you okay?
Stop your gap. Yeah. I just hit my face.
Yay! I'm looking at green. And the last step.
Way more to go.
He is almost to the ceiling.
Floating.
You are floating.
Floating. Now you can come on here. Pink, now you can come on here. Now you can come on here. Come on, get on here.
Oh boy.
Come down. You
Woo!
got it. Nice.
Got it.
Nice. Now you can come all the way over here and go somewhere else.
Look at this, Rose.
Owen,
This is so cool.
hold on. Keisha.
There's a little black bunny running from me.
Not my name either. Asteroid. No. I'm gonna make it a Asteroid Destroyer.
Hi, help.
Oh, grandma cooked you, bro. Pink, can I join a code with you?
Whew.
Pink,
Just-
can I join a code with you?
Sure, honey. I'm not sure what code we're going to.
Bro, stop. Can you
Check this.
press the button right there on your arm?
Whoop.
There.
Who is that little monkey?
Did you fall? Hey, yo, why
I see ya, but I can't read your name now. Is that you, Anna?
Hey, Owen, you want to join?
Oh, okay. I see who it is.
It's Owen.
Woo! Oh, it's Owen. Okay.
It's Owen.
I'm back. Oh, Macy's back. Yeah, Macy's back. He just texted.
You're gonna go to another public? Give me a high five. Wait.
I gotta give me a drink.
Do this.
Them steps worked. That was fun. That was a good challenge. I like that.
Why? We're gonna do boom, boom, boom. Okay? You wanna go play
1 second, honey. I'm getting a...
Hi, Mama.
Hi, honey.
We're supposed to...
Okay. Hopefully I'm still in my room. Look. Yes, I am a mom.
Sure.
I am definitely a mom. Sure. High five to you. Wait, wrong hand.
Look at LPM. Hey guys, we're gonna leave the map, so we might.
Bro, why?
Might be gone. This thing might be gone.
Well, before, if we leave...
She said we could do this. Wait, come on.
Wait, I gotta find my mom.
Hi, Rosie.
Wait, I want to thank you. Thank you for doing the steps and let me play in your room.
I'm joining the game. I'm joining.
Okay. And, I gotta find the red monkey. Top hat. Top hat.
Rose Owen, that's still guy, Mom. The top hat is still guy.
Yes.
Mama.
Mama.
Look at LPM.
Okay, hold on a second.
LPM.
Okay.
Here's the. No, don't turn small.
Join LPM.
No one joined the code except him
And that's a wrap.
and me. LPM.